Unlocking positive social energy. Unlocking positive social energy. Ever feel like people avoid you? You might be giving off invisible negative. You try to engage, but responses are lukewarm, leaving you. Your energy affects how others perceive you. Are you projecting the right signs of negative energy include closed body language and lack of confidence. Avoid avoiding eye contact, it reflects insecurity and makes others feel. Your tone can diminish your presence. Speak steadily to express confidence. Excessive apologizing or over-explaining signals insecurity. Recognize the subtle signs of negative energy in yourself to make a change. Try shifting your body language to appear more approachable and open your posture, it invites connection and shows you belong. Shift your mindset, walk in believing you bring value to every conversation. Show enthusiasm, it draws others in and creates a Let's explore key adjustments that help radiate positive energy. Begin with more open body language. It speaks volumes. Engage through eye contact and body movements that welcome dialogue. Watch as positive energy transforms conversations into memorable exchanges. Each positive remark builds connections, be the person adding to the conversation. Notice how these changes lead to more enriching and enjoyable interactions. Monitor your growth, positive shifts in body language equate to strong connections. Remember, confidence radiates, it projects that you belong in. Be the light in social gatherings, let your energy draw people in. See the contrast, how the energy you project changes the rooms. Always remember, your energy matters. It shapes every. Reflect on how you can shift your presence to foster more connections. Imagine being in a room where conversations flow effortlessly. This can. If you found value in this, please like and subscribe for more insights. By projecting positivity, you illuminate your path to meaningful connections. Revisit social scenarios. Watch how changes you implement will drastically. Mutual engagement creates warmth, drawing others into rich, flowing dialogue. Your perspectives can open new doors to social interactions you never thought possible. See how vibrant energy invites open participation and strengthens connections. Your aura impacts others. Focus on being the one who uplifts. Build confidence, engage fully, and watch your connections flourish. Taking small actionable steps can lead to significant results over time. Together, we can cultivate an environment where everyone feels. Join the movement towards positivity. Make a choice. Transformations are possible. Confidence and openness can change everything. When you project warmth, you create a community that encourages genuine. Let's keep the conversation alive. Share your experiences in the comments. Remember, it's never too late to shift your energy and enhance your social experience. Subscribe for weekly insights. Let's elevate our social. Thank you for joining. I look forward to our next exploration. Stay engaged. Together we can redefine our social narratives. Let's celebrate connection, kindness, and confidence in it. Until next time, remember your energy makes the difference. Here's a recap, your potential to connect is limitless. Embrace the power of interactions and let positivity flow. Release those positive vibes and see how interactions blossom. Reflect, where can you inject more positivity into your conversation?